Have you ever received a call from a private number and wondered who it was? Today I'm going to show you some methods to call back or identify a private number. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a private number is. When someone calls you and the number shows up as private, it means they've hidden the caller ID. This can make it challenging to identify who called you. Now let's explore some ways to find out who called and how you can call them back. Start by checking your call log. Sometimes the private number may appear as a regular number if the caller attempts to call you multiple times. Go to your phone app and check your recent calls to see if the number is listed. If that doesn't work, don't worry, we have more methods to try. In many regions, you can use the *69 feature to call back the last number that you called, even if it was a private number. Simply dial *69 on your phone and it will attempt to connect you to the last caller. Now this feature may not work with all carriers and in all regions, so check with the service provider if you're unsure. Also, there are several third-party apps that can help identify private numbers. One popular app is Truecaller. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and install Truecaller. Once installed, Truecaller will automatically identify most incoming calls, including private numbers. Truecaller has a large database of phone numbers and can often reveal the identity of private callers. And that's it. Now you know how to call back a private number and identify who's been calling you. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.